From the farm fields of Ontario all the way to the grocery shelves in Africa and Asia, the Canadian tomato is making a global name for itself. What's most interesting is how they got there. After H.J. Heinz Company closed its tomato processing plant in Leamington, Ontario, a lot of unwanted tomatoes needed a new home. Some of them ended up at the Thomas Canning Company in Maidstone, Ontario. The company, which has been around for over 70 years, recently built a brand new facility as it ramps up exports to Asia and Africa. So how do you make a can of Canadian tomatoes stand out? Play up the Canadian grown, organic angle, and let consumers know that this is a mom and pop shop. The tomatoes are grown by independent farmers, then processed and canned without irradiation. According to Thomas Canning Company, it's a time-honored recipe for success. They recently struck a $25 million deal with Nigeria's Festrut Group. Next up, expanding into the world's largest tomato-producing country, China. This won't be an easy task since tomatoes aren't a big part of the local diet. But so far, so good. They've carved out some market share by offering smaller 14-ounce cans and clearly marking that these tomatoes come from the true north strong and free. All this to say, the Canadian tomato looks to have a bright future overseas.